Okay, find the measure of angle x. So we can assume that these are tangents. So I can draw on my 90. And this is a four-sided figure. So that means that 360, because they add up to 360, equals x plus 90 plus 90 plus 150. So x has to equal 30 degrees. And then number 25, if CD is 60, so if this distance is 60, we know that this is 30 and this is 30. And if OM is 18 and ON is 15, find FN. So FN is this distance. Okay, so if I'm looking at this one, I'm looking, okay, how am I going to find FN if I only know one of the three sides of the right triangle? I need to have two of those sides. So what I can do is I can use this triangle over here and do the Pythagorean theorem to find what the radius is, and it's going to be the same over here. So once I get this number, I plug it into here, and then I can use a squared plus b squared to find this side right here. And number 26, find the measure of angle BAC. So BAC is an inscribed angle. Inscribed angles are half of the measure of the arc. So this one has a central angle of 86. So this angle, or this degree measures 86, therefore this is half of 86, so this is 43 degrees. And then 25, write an equation of a circle. So the circle has an equation like this, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So this is going to be my h and k. So it's going to be x plus 2 squared plus y plus 5 squared equals square root 8, so it's 64. And then 28, identify the radius. Radius is a square root of 36, so radius is 6. And the center is going to be positive 4 and negative 5. Okay, 29. Solve for x in each. So these are secant or chords that intersect inside the circle. So on one chord, you just do 5 times a equals 4 times x and solve for x. Same with this one. You're going to do x times x equals 2 times 10. So it's going to be x squared equals 20. And so then take the square root of x squared. So x is equal to, break it down, to root 5. And then 30. Solve for x below. So when you have two chords that intersect inside the angle, or inside the circle, this angle is half the sum of these two. So x is half the sum of 106 and 174. And then 31. This is a radius, so I can swing the radius up here. And this distance would be 6 because this is bisecting. So then you're going to use 3 squared plus 6 squared equals x squared and solve for x. To solve for x here, you're going to use a formula for 12.4. So it's the outside one, 8 times 8 plus x equals the outside 6 times 6 plus 10. And then solve for x.